How to repost someone's story on Instagram 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to repost someone's story on Instagram 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So let's head over to Instagram. And as you can see, there's stories right here. So for example, let's see this person's story. And if you click on that, you'll see this icon right here to share it. So just click that icon right there, and you can see you can show that story to your inbox, and also you can share it to your other things like copy the links, SMS, and your other social media accounts. So you can also see a button right here that you can add your story date. So just click on that and you should be able to add that to your story. So another method is if you head over and tag someone on your story, then you should be able to add it to your story as well. So for example, this person right here, so let's click on that. As you can see, this person has tagged us on your story. So there's a button right here to add this to our story. So let's click on that. And we should be able to add it to our story. So the next thing is if there's no method that you can use, if someone doesn't tag you and if there's no send icon, then what you can do is just open the story, screenshot it. Then after you screenshot it, you can now post it to your story by clicking this plus icon right here. So let's click on that and then click on story right here. Then click on this icon and let's add that story, and we can now add this to our story right here. So just share it and you're done. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to repost someone's story on Instagram. If you have comments or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.